Namaskar, welcome to our new channel named the School of Legal Luminaries, to be hosted by myself Nayana and one of my very dear friend Minerva. And now let us together dive and jump ourselves into the ocean of criminal law through the lecture series, which will be based on the Indian Penal Code 1860 and the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, in order to understand the nature and the elements of offenses which is committed against the human body, against property, against country, and so on and so forth, and how it is dealt with to provide a proper criminal administration justice system in our country, India, through the procedural mechanism as incorporated under the Code of Criminal Procedure. Now, I'm giving an example how. For example, we will be giving a lecture series on the elements of theft. What constitute the offense of theft and its illustrations, along with different case laws, case citations, and further we will be jumping or interrelating it to some of the provisions of the Code of Criminal Procedure parallelly. That is, we will be going through section 154 of the CRPC regarding the contents of FIR, how to file an FIR or a complaint to a police officer or to a magistrate in action. And while studying this, we will be able to understand that the 5 pillars of criminal administration are: firstly, the police, the forensic department, the prosecution, the judiciary, and the prison correctional institutions, which means in this ocean of criminal law we will be understanding the very agency about the police, who plays a dual role in maintaining the criminal justice and peace and tranquility in our society at large, and how the forensic department is very much integral and related to the criminal administration system, and further how it is also related to the prosecution, where we will be understanding the different provisions of the Indian Evidence Act and some of the minor acts which supports or which makes the criminal justice more clear and crisp to understand. And finally, we will be understanding the nature of the judiciary, the hierarchy of the courts, which court is to handle which form of offenses or punishments to be granted by them. And finally, we will be going to the remedial institutions that, once an accused is convicted of crimes, of committing crimes and offenses, will be sent to prison, and how this prison will be used as the correctional or reformatory form of punishments, which is again incorporated in the study of the Indian Penal Code. And finally, definitely all of us will be enjoying the different sessions while swimming in the ocean of criminal law through our channel of School of Legal Luminaries. And in the next lecture, my friend Minerva will be carrying on with the discussion of an offense against property as discussed under section 378 to 382 of the Indian Penal Code. Until then, stay tuned and let us enjoy this journey together. Thanks and bye-bye.